Hello bachcho, let's read the question. The question says identify the correct statement. Plaster of Paris can be obtained by hydration of gypsum. Plaster of Paris is obtained by partial oxidation of gypsum. Gypsum contains lower percentage of calcium than plaster of Paris, and gypsum is obtained by heating plaster of Paris. Okay, so let's do the question. Bachcho, what is the formula of gypsum? As you all know, it is calcium sulfate dihydrate. This is the formula of gypsum. And what is the formula of plaster of Paris? Plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate hemihydrate. This is the formula of plaster of Paris. So to obtain plaster of Paris from gypsum, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा बच्चों? We have to do dehydration. Dehydration to decrease the water of crystallization. ठीक है? There are less number of water of crystallization in plaster of Paris. तो इसको हम कैसे निकाल सकते हैं? By dehydration. And this is done by heating at 393 Kelvin. Plaster of Paris can be obtained by gypsum by dehydration at or heating at 393 Kelvin. So therefore the statement that is given, plaster of Paris can be obtained by hydration of gypsum, is a wrong statement. Similarly, plaster of Paris is obtained by partial oxidation of gypsum is also a wrong statement. It is the dehydration at 393 Kelvin. Now, if you have to obtain gypsum from plaster of Paris, तो आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? The reverse process is called hydration. ठीक है ना? डिहाइड्रेशन का रिवर्स प्रोसेस क्या होगा? इट इज कॉल्ड हाइड्रेशन. यू हैव टू इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन, वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम हाइड्रेशन करेंगे. सो यहाँ पे जो ऑप्शंस हैं, जिप्सम इज ऑब्टेन्ड बाय हीटिंग प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस, इट इज ए रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट. सो इट इज ऑल्सो रॉन्ग. नाउ इफ यू सी द कंपोजिशन ऑफ जिप्सम एंड प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस, द परसेंटेज कैल्शियम इज हाई in plaster of Paris than your gypsum. ठीक है, so the statement is also same. Gypsum contains low percentage of calcium than plaster of Paris, as you can see in the composition. Okay, so this is a correct statement. So the option C is correct. I hope you understood well. Best of luck.